Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Willow bark comes from the willow tree of the Salix species. The bark contains salicin, a compound similar to aspirin. Salicin is metabolized in the body to create salicylic acid, a precursor to aspirin. The herbal extract has long been used in native and folk medicine to relieve pain, inflammation, and fever.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tylenol, the widely used alternative to aspirin, is an analgesic, or pain reliever, and fever-reducing drug. The drug is often used by people who are allergic to aspirin or who suffer medical problems, notably stomach ulcers or such bleeding conditions as hemophilia, that make aspirin use unsuitable.
Take our lead.
Aspirin, the original wonder drug, has long been a go-to medicine for millions, a jack-of-all-trades remedy that is readily available and cheap. Championed for its ability to relieve pain, fever and inflammation, aspirin has been a staple in home medicine cabinets and first aid kits for more than a century.
Take our lead.
So if you're taking both garlic and aspirin for their blood-thinning abilities, you could safely skip the stinking rose supplement. Drying garlic to squeeze it into a capsule can process the health benefits right out of it. One study found that even cooked garlic lost its antiplatelet activity.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.